3-piece set includes 1.5 quart, 3-quart and 5-quart stainless steel mixing bowls. 1.5 quart size ideal for whisking eggs or salad dressings, 3-quart size perfect for use with electric mixers, 5-quart size designed for doubling recipes, tossing salads and serving popcorn. Stainless steel interiors won't retain odors or colors, white plastic exteriors shield hands from extreme heat. Non-skid bottoms stabilize bowls while mixing, even when tilted. Perfect for chilling and marinating. Bowls nest for compact storage, dishwasher safe. Mix dough, fold cake batter, whisk vinaigrette and do much more with the OXO Good Grip stainless steel mixing bowls. The 1.5 quart, 3-quart and 5-quart bowls have non-slip bottoms for added stability while mixing, even on a tilt. The bowls have a brushed stainless steel interior that retains temperature for chilling and marinating, plus a white plastic exterior to shield hands from extreme heat. The curved, corner-free interior allows for easy mixing and cleaning. The 1.5 quart size is convenient for whisking eggs or salad dressings, the 3-quart size has higher walls for use with electric mixers, and the 5-quart size is ideal for doubling recipes, mixing larger quantities, tossing salads and serving popcorn. The mixing bowls nest for compact storage and are dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. These are perfect after 11 years of kitchen use. I think these are the perfect mixing bowl set. I bought these in 2011 and will be buying again for another kitchen. I was browsing tonight looking at a seemingly limitless stainless mixing bowl selection but not seeing what I wanted. I added good for whisking to my search, and up popped the OXO bowls, telling me I had purchased them in 2011. It had them long enough not to remember to look for them in my past orders. They are not at hand, so I had forgotten they were OXO. Well, of course they are OXO, they are perfect. They still look great and are perfect in so many ways. They are lightweight but non-slip with a lightly weighted black bottoms. They are slightly insulated so heat doesn't move between hands and bowl and ingredients. They nest perfectly and are not hard to line up. They just drop in and are readily extracted from one another. They don't clank around, but live in peace with counters, sinks and each other. They have rounded bottom best for wire whisks. Flat-bottomed mixing bowls are a joke. The sides are steep enough to keep ingredients in and aid in mixing. No need to chase ingredients around the bowl. They can fold ingredients nicely, as required. They provide a good grip and are easy to hold. They work in the fridge and the dishwasher. Okay, they can't go in the microwave. They are super easy to scrape out and rinse out. They hand wash and dry very quickly to take on the next task. They don't spot or turn color. I'd never wished there were more in the set, 3 does it all. Look, a pretty new color has come along, but white's quite nice.